Hey everybody, just doing a quick video on this Denon AVR-s960h HDMI cable test feature. It is a test that you can use an HDMI cable to see if it can pass the 40 gigabits per second that this receiver's 8K input supports. What I'm going to be showing you guys is that you may not have to go and buy an 8K Ultra High-Speed certified HDMI cable to pass the full 40 or 48 gigabits per second. What else is in the future that your AVR supports? So this first cable I have connected, which you'll need connected to the 8K input and the monitor 1 output of the receiver. As you can see, it's a Denon high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet. This is a Best Buy brand cable. If you live in the United States, I got it for about $15 8 years ago. What we want to do is we're going to turn on the AVR first. It'll go through its setup, the starting process. On this specific model, you want to press the Zone 2 source buttons and the negative tuner preset channel button at the same time for a couple seconds. It will go into the HDMI diagnostics menu and do a quick hardware check. I'll press a down arrow on the remote a couple times until it gets to HDMI cable test. I'll press enter a couple times until it starts the test. And we'll see what it comes out to be. This is just a regular high-speed HDMI cable, not even premium or ultra high-speed. And as you can see, it can pass an 18 gigabits per second that an HDMI 2.0 or a premium high-speed cable could pass, but not quite 24 gigabits per second for anything higher. So not quite. Not at all ultra high speed. So this next cable I'll show you is an HDMI high speed cable as well with Ethernet. This one looks like just a generic brand. I got it with a set-top box I'm renting from the cable company. So neither premium high speed or ultra high speed. We'll use the remote to run the test again. Press enter. Let's see what this one tests out to be. And cable test pass. 8K 40 gigabits per second. So with that regular high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet, it was able to pass the full 40 gigabits per second. So what this tells us is that even if you have not gotten any 8K or ultra high speed certified cable, HDMI cable yet, you may not need to. Some of your existing cables may work. So if you have, or if you are planning to get a receiver that has a cable test feature and want to see if they will work before buying new cables, you can get the receiver first, test it, and then you may not need to get extra cables. It's an interesting piece of information I've found out. Won't know for sure until I'm able to get an 8K, 4K 120 hertz screen is what I'm trying to get in the future, and once graphics cards come out with it. But until that time, at least we know that there's a test at least for the cables to try and see if it would theoretically work.